Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on your Mac computer, when you go to Word, Excel or PowerPoint, and when you search for more templates, it only shows blank templates over here. Now when you try more templates, when you click on it and when you try to search, or you don't see any template over here, and even if you try to search any online template, you receive this error: we couldn't find any template. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. And this is happening for same for Excel. You don't see any other templates, you see only blank over here, and when you click on more templates, nothing is over here. So if this is happening, then you can open your Excel, PowerPoint or Word, any file, and then you can, on the top, you can click on Word, Excel or PowerPoint, whatever you see over here, and then go to Preferences and then go to Privacy. Click on Privacy. Now at the end you will see Connected Experiences. Now click on Manage Connected Experiences and turn on all these options. So put a check on Turn on all connected experiences. Put a check on Turn on experiences that download online content. These two are must. You can even turn on this option, turn on all three, and then click on OK. And then you have to restart Office. So you can close this, and then you can quit all the Office applications. So make a double tap and then quit, then quit Excel, make a double tap, quit, make a double tap, quit. And once you close it, now you can open Word, and then you can click on more templates, and you will see here you can see a lot of templates. You can even search online for online templates. You can just type in whatever you want, and you should be able to search for online template. So same goes for Excel. You can click on more templates, and you'll be able to see a lot of templates, and you can even search online. Similarly for PowerPoint, you should be able to see more themes, and even you can search online for themes. So this is how you can fix it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.